Hey guys, this is Amy and this is Richie. We are here to make some friends and share cooking skills. Yay! Today, let's cook corn and silky chicken soup. Its Chinese name is called 玉米乌鸡汤. This is a traditional Chinese home-style soup. It's warm, nourishing, and naturally sweet, especially gentle and healthy for women. First, let's prepare the ingredients. I bought the silky chicken online. It's about 450 to 500 grams and costs 28.8 yuan. I also bought a corn and a carrot with it. In total, it's 32.69 yuan, including the delivery fee. It usually arrives within 30 minutes. It's quite common for us to buy food online, as it's very fast and convenient. The price is also reasonable. While that's quite a lot, it's enough for 2 people. I think I will cook all of it and save some for 2 meals. I'm going to peel and wash the corn. The corn is very fresh and tender. Cut the corn into sections. Put it in a plate. Wash the carrot. Cut it into small pieces. And set aside. Slice the ginger. I'm going to add some dried lotus seeds. This is optional if you don't have any. Look, silky chicken, 乌鸡, corn, 玉米, carrot, 胡萝卜, dates, 大枣, ginger, 姜, lotus seeds, 莲子, goji berries, 枸杞, cooking wine, 料酒, salt, 盐, a pot of hot water, 热水, will be needed. Now let's get started. Add a tablespoon of cooking wine, 料酒, to cold water. Add half of the ginger slices. Add silky chicken and heat it to boil. Blanch the silky chicken in boiling water for 2 minutes. Remove the silky chicken to a bowl. Then put the silky chicken into the pot. 乌鸡. Add corn, 玉米. Add carrot, 胡萝卜. Add dates, 大枣. Add lotus seeds, 莲子. Add half pot of hot water, 热水. Cover it and heat it to boil. It's boiled and turn to low heat. Simmer for about 1 hour. Richie is already hungry and he's enjoying the chicken breast I prepared for him. Time is up. Add goji berries, 枸杞. Add a little salt, 盐. Mix evenly and simmer for about 5 minutes. It's done. Wow, it looks great. Please try it. It's lunchtime. The soup and silky chicken are delicious. The corn and carrot also taste great. I'm also having some fruits and steamed buns for my lunch. Richie is also enjoying his lunch, eating the cat food I bought for him. This is one of his favorite foods. After lunch, it's playtime for Richie. That's also Richie's favorite moments of the day. He likes to play with me and sometimes he plays alone too. That's part of his daily routine. He's a little tired after playing. So it's Nap time for Richie. His tail keeps wagging all the time. This is our peaceful and quiet cooking and lunch routine. Hope you will like it. The full recipe is right here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.